This is Rick's 25 by 30 garage, and we're continuing on with the Chrysler 1963 Chrysler 300 Sport. And today, we're going to clean this mess out. So I know some of y'all like videos of what kind of mess this is. It's a mess. This is one solid mass of rat poo and mouse poo. So we got some of the AC vents pieces, no good. This is a little piece of accessory. Usually pink is like accessory for like lights and stuff like that, so I'll save that in case I have to display something. But as you can see, this is the whole big mound of yuck that's in here. I do look for bolts. I do look for, see, long pieces of glass. I do look for bolts and things of that nature. Some more glass from the windshield. As you can see, this carpet's pretty nasty. Oh, I am wearing my mask because I do know about the Havana virus with the mouse turds and rat turds. So I was stationed in Colorado in the 90s whenever that broke out in the Four Corners region of America. So there were some doctors from the Army hospital I was stationed at were some of the people that went down there and broke that and find out what exactly was going on there. So, but believe me, I'm fully aware. It's why I'm wearing my mask. As you can see, the carpet just comes out. Just lifts out in sections. Yeah, those mice and rats had a field day in here. Everything's like chewed up and shredded. You can see how dusty this stuff is. That's the dirt up there in Big Spring, Texas. Section of the original headliner. Maybe I'll save that. There's another section. Yeah, mice and rats pretty much had a pretty good home in here for a little while. Let's see what this is. Oh yeah, big old huge piece of glass. I'll have to set this aside over here for right now. I don't want to stick that in the bag. It'll slice right through it. Wait. Oh. There's a thing to. Oh, that's a piece of the trim. That's a piece of the side trim for the door. A little plastic piece. Save that. Reason why I don't throw those away, because you know you may need it, not need it to use on the car, but you need it to match up to find something that'll work for you. So if you just take all this stuff and heave-ho it and you don't have anything to match up, it's not good. Yeah. Let's see here. Thankfully, a lot of this stuff is sitting on top of the carpet. Oh, there goes my protection system. Piece of headliner. Piece of headliner. Yuck. Ooh. Little skull with some fangs. Man, that's some serious teeth. Glad that's dead. And all intermixed with all this rat turds and mouse turds and the dirt is glass from the windshield. So probably should be wearing gloves, but for right now, this will. So yeah, see, there's a big huge piece of glass right there. See how heavy this is? Yeah. Time to get another bag. Yeah, a lot of times I would tell people that, you know, this car was made in the silver coin era. So I always tell people to look for silver coins. I did not find one on the other side, so I haven't seen anything on this side either so far. But if you're ever dealing with one of these cars, it is from the silver coin area. Make sure you look underneath the carpet. Just don't scoop everything out. Yuck. There's a section of carpet right here. Yeah. Lovely. Another big huge chunk of glass. There's a little rust hole right here. So far, that's only rust that I see on the floor. It's where the seat support bracket is, where the bucket seats. Broom here, dustpan. just wonder, because one of the major crops that was up there was cotton. So I wonder if a lot of these seeds that I'm finding in here might be cotton seeds from the cotton that the rats and squirrels and mice had gathered up. Because there's a whole pile of them. There is fields and fields and fields of cotton. Cotton and oil wells sprinkled all around the area up there. So, I mean, these people up there, you know, coming from an area of the country that, you know, they weren't poor, they had money, you know. That's how people can afford a car like this. You know, have something fancy. That's my analog warning system. Henry. I don't know, it's a type of piece of metal or something. I don't know. All right, quit it. That's enough. Hey. As you can see, that's the dust. That's the dirt that was there. Big spring. It's like, this is what it's like. It's like fine baby powder. It gets into everything. Well, that didn't take too long. Hope you all enjoyed that. Like, share, and you know, share that banana, since we aren't allowed to say the other words that attract people to my page. But we're moving along. It's happening. I mean, I just cleaned out this whole floor pan. There's no rust through down here at all. The only place is probably a place about 2 fingers wide right there where the seat bracket is. That's an area of rust. That's it. The whole floor pan is just solid, rust free. It's just amazing. You know, the other side, there's probably about a 3-inch. The seat belts. These are General Motors seat belts, and the seat belt on the other side, they put about a 6-inch piece of angle iron, and put the seat bolt through it, because I guess maybe it was stripped out or something like that. But that little 6-inch strip of angle iron caused a little bit of rust on that side. So, but otherwise, that little tiny 6-inch area, right there. So far, that's the only. And there's a little bit of rust on the quarter panel over here that's easily repairable. I mean, this thing is pretty much, looks terrible, but it's pretty much rust free. But anyway, hope you all enjoyed this video. Like I said, like, share, hit that banana button, hit that bell for notifications for the next one. And I think tomorrow we may clean out the back seat. I lifted up the back seat, and it's nothing but a whole mound of mouse turds, rat turds underneath the seat. So tomorrow, that one's going to be that's going to be fun. And eventually, what we're going to have to do is get my garden hose out here, Lysol and Clorox, whatever else I need to clean this thing out and get rid of the mouse turds and all that stuff. So, all right, well, like, share, hit that button. More later.